Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video, I will teach you on how to check a given number, whether the given number is an odd or even number using ternary operator in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. So basically, I'm using PyCharm as my IDE Community Edition. It is free to download from their website of JetBrains. So we have here print, add an even number using ternary operator in Python. So this is the title of our program. Given number, given underscore number 5 that will become even. So result, if it is true, display this message. If it is false, if underscore given number modulus 2 equals 0, it is an even number. Else, if becomes false, it is an odd number. So we have here display the given number and then the result. Only a few lines of code. So one of the things that I have observed and learned about Python is that you can solve a problem with a few lines of code. That's why Python is one of the most easiest programming language to learn, and many people are attracted to learn Python. It is used in wide variety of applications. Okay, so let us run the program. So add an even number using ternary operator in Python. Given number 5, it is an odd number. How about we will change this one to 6? When we run, the given number 6 is an even number. Let's say we have 11. 11 is an odd number. We have 12. The given number 12 is an even number. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may join also by clicking the join button to support my channel. Thank you so much for your support in advance. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.